Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like what? Like baby. Like wait, baby. Oh, come on, dog. Come on, man. Move. Get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. Ooh, ooh. Whew. She gets up there. Yeah, she gets up there, man. I can't do too much. Like I said, I just got it. License plate light is not even on, so I don't wanna. You know, so I don't wanna. I don't wanna do much at all. I'm gonna get off this exit, make a U-turn, and just send it and head back home. It ain't nothing biggie, you know. Just some slight, man. Man, man, bro. The supercharged ones at they fucking nasty, man. They get up and just go like, but it's all good. It's all good. Still love this, man. Ride good, sound good. Everything looks good. So I'm not worried about it. I forgot. I think they still make even without the supercharged, they still make like three something, 320, 340. I'm not totally sure about how fast or how many horsepower they have. I have to look it up. But I know for sure they're in the 300s. Yeah. And as heavy as this car is, they get up and go, man. Yes, sir. That's the old school Jaguar, man. Only Big Daddy be riding this shit back in the day. You know what I'm saying? Pimps and all that. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna say the rest, but you guys know the other ones. You know what I'm saying? Slanging that dope. They be riding this shit back in the day, man. But yeah, I like it. I like it. Yeah, love it. It feels so solid, man. Like you can't be going like 120, 140 and it'll be floating, like literally floating. You can't even feel nothing. Like the whole vehicle hugs the road. Like it grabs everything. Like, yeah, I ain't going nowhere. And it's pretty windy out here too. So, but regardless, still doing just fucking fine, man. Man, if I put a loud exhaust on this, it's gonna sound so good. Ain't no way, ain't no question. It's gonna sound so good with the growl and everything. It's gonna sound fucking nasty. I don't know though, but to be honest, one of the reasons why I got this vehicle was because one, it is fucking clean. Like I can't even. When I got it, it was dirty, and even while being dirty, it still